Welcome back to Agriculture Central, folks. Today, we have a very interesting topic to discuss. How to stop tomato splitting. We will discuss why tomatoes split, causes of tomato splitting, and how to stop tomato splitting. So stay tuned. Why tomatoes split? Tomatoes split for a few reasons. The most common reason is inconsistent watering. When tomato plants get too much water, they absorb it quickly, which can cause the fruits to swell too rapidly. This can cause the skin to split, especially if it's been hot and dry outside. Other causes of tomato splitting include overripe tomatoes. Tomatoes are more likely to split if they're left on the vine for too long. Irregularly shaped tomatoes. Certain tomato varieties, such as heirloom tomatoes, are more prone to splitting than others. Nutrient deficiency. Tomatoes need a balanced diet of nutrients, including calcium, to prevent splitting. How to stop tomatoes from splitting? Things you can do to stop tomatoes from splitting. Water regularly and deeply. Tomatoes need about an inch of water per week, so water your plants deeply every 2 to 3 days during the summer. Avoid watering too often, as this can lead to split fruits. Mulch your plants. Mulch helps to retain moisture in the soil and prevent inconsistent watering. Apply a 2 to 3 inch layer of organic mulch, such as straw, pine needles, or shredded bark, around your tomato plants. Choose resistant varieties. Some tomato varieties are more resistant to splitting than others. When choosing seeds or seedlings, look for varieties that are labeled as crack resistant. Harvest tomatoes on time. Don't let your tomatoes overripe on the vine. Harvest them when they are ripe but still slightly firm. Fertilize your plants. Tomatoes need a balanced diet of nutrients to prevent splitting. Fertilize your plants every 2 weeks with a balanced fertilizer that contains calcium. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips.